Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to create rafters in a roof using the roofing tool. So as you can see here, I already have my house drawn out. Now what we're going to do is head into the roof plan. Now first, for this to work, we need to separate the roof into different components. So first, we're going to go into design, roof extras, and split into single plane roofs and hit split anyway. Now we need to bring up the roofing tool. Go into design, roof extras, roof maker, show roof maker toolbox. Now we have several options here to create a rafter, to create multiple rafters and other tools. We're going to just focus on making rafters, and what we want to do is make multiple in this case. All right, so first we need to select a roof component, then, yeah, here, sorry. What we need to do is select a roof component first, then click create multiple rafters. Now here we have various settings we can play with, like the height of the rafter. It's right now at 6 inches. Let's bring that up to say 10 inches. And we'll make it, say 6 inches wide. And we have a way of placing the rafters. Let's do it by number of fixed. So right now it's at 10. That should be good. And there's other features here, like how to make the edges of the rafters shaped perpendicular, vertical, or rectangular. Let's just leave it with vertical, and you can also do the same for the top. All right, so here we're going to hit OK. Now what we need to do is draw a line going across, and it creates the rafters. If we head back into 3D, we can now see rafters running along the length of the ceiling. And that is how that tool works.